Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm the HR generalist supporting our global supply chain R&D. Today we have the Cleveland STEP program here at our Brain Technology Center. It's been such a pleasure working with them and teaching our youth about STEM. Here at Sherwin-Williams, we love teaching others how to create your possible.
Hello, my name is Ty Dorsey, and I'm a research and development technician for Sherwin-Williams. Working with the Cleveland STEP students has been an amazing experience. They really did surprise me about how much they knew of science in the STEM field in total, and it was just an amazing experience to work with them. Hopefully we could do it again sometime.
We were founded in 1866 by Henry Sherwin and Edward Williams, where we got our name, Sherwin-Williams. We have over 61,000 employees worldwide, so that's not just in the United States. We are located in several different countries. We are the largest paint and coatings company in the world. We are Cleveland-based, so we are currently building a new headquarters right above the way, and then our new R&D facility, we will be moving to Brecksville. And then as of January 1st of this year, we just appointed our 10th CEO in 158 years, which is an amazing accomplishment.
We sell a lot of different paints and primers and coatings, and we sell all these things, but someone has to make it. My job is to make that recipe so that other people can make it in big scales.
We are gonna kick it off and we are gonna let you all design your own tote bag. So once we pass those out, we will talk about the science behind that. You guys can get creative, and we have stencils. And then once that's done, we have Tammy and Emily raise your hand and they will heat press your design onto your bag. So these are called sublimation markers. So the dye in there is dispersed dye, so when heat is applied, it will transfer onto the heat paper. One thing to note, your design will be transferred face down. So if you want to write anything like your name or a saying, you have to write it backwards. So what we're gonna do with the two waters that don't mix together, so we are going to add water into our vegetable oil. And you guys will get to pick out what color you wanna dye your water. We're gonna pour some water into the bottle, and then we're gonna add an Alka-Seltzer tab. What do we think this is gonna do when we add it to the water in the mixture? Yes, over here. Go ahead. It's gonna make a bubble? Yeah, it's gonna make it bubble like a lava lamp. So when this dissolves, it's gonna bubble like the lava lamp.
I do it at home.
Yeah.
I love it.
Wait, one minute. Try not to shake it until it's all dissolved.
Crack it and then
Don't shake it until it's all dissolved.
Oh, I wanted to.
I made one of these over the summer and I still have it on my desk, and I can turn it upside down and it will still bubble. We are gonna be making UV bracelets. Now these bracelets, when you go outside, when we walk back to the bus, they're gonna change color in the light. So that's super cool and exciting. And then we have little letters, so you can make words on your bracelet, but for the clear beads, you won't find out what color they're gonna be until you go outside.
The thing I learned about most during Sherwin-Williams' presentation today was that they use STEM in their paint company. They use engineering as manufacturing with their cans, and they use mathematics for calculating how much paint goes in each can.
My name is Kendrick, and the most interesting thing that I learned about Sherwin-Williams was about all of the different kinds of coats and primers and things like that, and paints that they make, and also how long they've been around.